Let's learn how to change Instagram notification sounds. If you're tired of Instagram's notification sound but don't know how to change it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once the Settings app opens, you'll be on a page with many options. From all those options on that page, you need to click on the General option. After clicking on that option, a page with more options will open. You need to click on the second option in the list, which is Software Update. When you click on that, a page will open where you can see if your software is updated. If it isn't, update it, and we can continue. Once you've done that, you need to go back to the main settings page. When you're back on that page, you'll see many options again. But now, from all those options, you need to click on the Sound and Haptics option, which has a speaker icon next to it. When you do that, a page with many options will open, and from all those options, you need to click on the Default Alerts option. When you click on that, a page will open with many notification sounds. Now you just need to choose the one you want, and you can also create a custom sound. If you'd like me to create a tutorial on how to do this, write it in the comments. Now, when you've chosen the sound and you receive a notification from Instagram, you'll hear that sound. But be aware that this also changes the notification sound for other apps. However, what's important to you is that the Instagram sound is changed. That was the tutorial on how to change Instagram's notification sound. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.